Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Google Search Console for SEO growth, full guide step by step clearly. To authorize Google Search Console for your website, begin by navigating to the Google Search Console homepage. Sign in with your Google account that you want to use for managing your website's SEO. If you are new to Google Search Console, click on the Start Now button. On the next page, click on the Add Property button located on the top left corner of the interface. You will be presented with two options, domain and URL prefix. For a comprehensive setup, select the domain option to include all subdomains and protocols. Enter your website's domain without the http:// or www. Click on the Continue button to proceed. You will be prompted to verify your ownership of the domain. Choose the verification method that works best for you, starting with the DNS method. If you select DNS, you will need to sign in to your domain registrar's website. Add a new TXT record to your DNS settings. The value for the TXT record can be found in the Google Search Console prompt. After adding the record, return to Google Search Console and click on Verify. If the verification is successful, you will receive a confirmation message. If you prefer an alternate method, you can choose to verify using the HTML file upload method. Download the HTML verification file provided by Google. Upload this file to the root directory of your website. After the upload is complete, return to Google Search Console and click Verify. Once verified, you will gain access to your property on Google Search Console. Now, explore the various features available, including performance reports, coverage results, and enhancement suggestions. Make sure to submit your XML sitemap to help Google crawl your website more efficiently. To add your sitemap, go to the Sitemaps section on the left menu. Enter the URL of your sitemap and click on Submit. Regularly monitor your site's performance and issues through Google Search Console. Use the insights gained to inform your SEO strategies for ongoing growth. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.